I came into ATMC not on medication, needing to stabilize. It wasn't, I was open if medication needed to be, but I was really trying to stabilize without medication. So the treatment at ATMC helped me in a number of ways. Insomnia was a big problem, as well as, like I had said, severe anxiety and depression. And so coming to ATMC has helped, especially with the insomnia. I'm doing better sleeping. And I feel like I've gotten some tools that can help with the anxiety and the depression, so that when I go home, I'm able to handle those things a little bit better. The detox shop was one of my favorite things about ATMC. It gave me purpose for my day. It gave me something to look forward to. It felt like I was accomplishing something, and the team over there is phenomenal to be able to work with you and cheer you on and help you to achieve your goals. So coming back home is always, I think, for everyone, can cause nervousness and anxiety, because you've been to this program, you've lived here for a number of weeks, you've worked on your stuff, and then you've got to go back. And one of the things that we did to help in my transition was we did a conference call with my whole family, my husband and my 2 children, and that was really helpful because Dr. Libby gave them an opportunity to ask questions about what to expect and how to be helpful and how we can make that transition better. And so I'm looking forward to going home, and I'm feeling like expectations are where they should be, and that I'm going to have the support that I need to have in moving forward. So I would recommend this program to other people. Definitely. There's great things about this program. When you're calling in to talk to them about the program, generally you're probably in a bad state. You might be kind of desperate for help. And I recommend that you take time to write questions down and to think about your questions, and then call back again and call back again if you have to call a few times to get all of your questions answered, and make sure that you have a good understanding of how the program works, what they can offer you, and what to expect. So specific advice that I would give to anyone coming to ATMC is to learn to advocate for yourself. Anytime that you enter any treatment program, I would think that the staff that you're going to be working with has a particular protocol that they're going to do for you. And the good thing about ATMC is they encourage you to advocate. So if you feel like the treatment program isn't meeting your needs, or you need something different, or you're not tolerating a medicine or a supplement, to go to the right people and to talk to them about it. They're willing to listen, and they're open to that because they want you to succeed. They want you to move through this program and to come out on top. So that would be my biggest piece of advice, for just to advocate.